Doing a quick little video for the AliExpress LED headlight for the Yamaha Vmax, and it is plug and play for the main connector right there. And in terms of, sorry about that, in terms of the LED surround the running light, it's just got a single positive wire, and the stock OEM is a connector, 2 wires. The positive on this 2020 Vmax is this black and white wire. And the way to test, in case you don't know, is you hook a voltmeter up, turn the bike to the accessory to where there's power, and see if the voltage is positive, 12.5, 12.8, or negative. If it's positive, you have them in correctly. If it's negative, just reverse them. And then that's the way you test which line's positive. So I'm just going to splice this into the connector. I do not wish to cut this off at the moment. I'm not sure I'm trusting the quality of this over time, so we'll see. But that's a quick wiring video, and I'll show you the after. All right, here's just the LED running light. It's pretty nice.